Hey, what's going on? This is Soldier Knows Best here, giving an in-car demonstration of the TomTom turn-by-turn navigation application for the iPhone. So we're here looking at the standard interface that you'll be looking at while it's leading you to your destination. But I'm going to show you some of the menu options here. And so here we have a few options you can choose from to kind of customize your experience. Of course, you're going to navigate to is probably one of the most of the things that you're going to be using there. So you're going to have a preset home address, your favorite setup, and also you can set up an address from scratch. Go ahead and type in your city and state. And then you go to start typing in if you need to type in a certain road or street. Already got something preset there. And also you just do your street number here, and it kind of brings up a iPhone, kind of the phone dialer interface. So once you got all those corrected and selected there, go ahead and press select. And then go ahead and start planning your route for you. Tell you exactly how long and how far it is away from you. Press done. It'll take you back to the interface here and start leading you to your destination. But to say here you want to customize a little bit. Of course, they have night colors here for you driving at night. Make it a little bit easier on your eyes to choose from. And also has a 2D map, so you can look for it. Look at your destinations while you're driving straight from above. Alright, you can do some advanced planning. You can choose basically, set multiple locations ahead of time and have them preset in there, and that's what you use the advanced planning. And also this browse map feature I like a lot. You can actually just touch anywhere on the map and you can have it choose to go ahead and start leading you to that destination. Go to navigate there, or find a points of interest nearby, or center as a map, or do a couple other options as well. So if you don't know exactly address, but you know where you are, then you can use this feature. Probably not going to be used a lot, but it's good to have. Points of interest is pretty good. Like every turn-by-turn device has points of interest. So near in the city, you want to go ahead and choose your city. So I'm looking for a good amusement park. And then here you see I have on the right-hand side the little green caller button. So you go ahead and press that button. Actually, go ahead and call that location just to make sure that it is the right place, or getting other information that you need from them. So that's a pretty nice little feature in there, and that's how it's integrated with the phone. And no, I do not want to call. All right, the TomTom car kit here has a little setting for this, even though the doggone thing is not available yet. And all this thing just show you that it is on its way. It's coming soon. We'll definitely be keeping an eye out on that. And change the settings. It has multiple voices you can choose. It has a lot of voices you can choose from. So pretty much all the countries that this application support, you can get the voice from, and you don't have to be in that certain country to actually get the voice. I don't know what that is, but see Dutch. And of course, I got multiple English voices here.
You have reached your destination. You have reached your destination.
You have reached your destination.
And so some of the other applications on the iPhone, they don't have. I definitely know by user comments they don't have multiple voices. So this is pretty nice to see in there. It also has some other things you can edit and stuff like that, but I'm not going to go too deep in detail with that. Right, well, I'm going to show you, do a little in-car demo here, show you how this thing actually works on the road. So let's get this thing rolling here. Let me zoom out. Let me make sure I get my focus right. Alright. Okay, well, we are all set to go. Alright, and so this thing handles pretty smoothly, it handles pretty well. It tends to track fairly well, fairly decent. Now, sometimes I have found that it has gotten off track, and you see it's kind of a little jerky right there. But that's with every turn-by-turn device. It could go do things like that from now on. But for the most part, when I'm traveling to my destination, the thing works just fine. It works pretty well. And the voice is pretty loud and clear. Now, definitely when that TomTom kit comes out, it has a little speaker in there, so it's going to be a lot louder. But overall, this thing tracks well. When I first started it, a couple of problems I did have. It was about 4 seconds behind when I was actually driving on the road, and that's not good at all. But I did do a quick restart. As you can see here, coming up to the intersection, it's still a little bit behind. But I did a quick restart, and it worked just fine. But overall, this thing works fine, and I don't know.
400 yards, turn left, then take the second right.
Okay. All right, and as you can see here, it is a little behind as I'm driving on the road. So let me see if it catches up when I come to this intersection. Yep, it caught up. So the last intersection, it was definitely It was definitely behind, but now it has caught itself back up. So overall, I think all that can be fixed within the update, but all that still is just, just the way GPS works, not going to be perfect all the time. Now, I know the main question you'll probably be asking yourself is this application worth it? Because this application does cost...
Turn left, then take the second right.
This application does cost $100 in the App Store for the U.S. to get U.S. and Canada maps. So that is pretty expensive, all right? And let me keep driving straight, because when I turn, it loses the orientation. But see how it redirects itself here. That's another test we're going to do. Okay, and it quickly just recalculated the route there.
Then take the third right.
But basically, like I said, is it worth it? I think it is. For me, I have multiple cars. I got 2 cars, and trying to switch back and forth and make sure I have the GPS in the right cars. And sometimes I do forget. So this is good to have a turn-by-turn application or device with me at all times. So say you're traveling, you get a rental car, you don't need to bring another device to carry on with you. You just got your iPhone, and all you got is your iPhone. So it's definitely well worth that. And $99 is not. It seems steep, but TomTom couldn't release it for like $25-$50, or nobody would buy their devices in the store. But I think this is definitely well worth it. I'm going to make a lot of use of it, and I'm really going to like it, really going to enjoy it. But it's been Sojourner's Best here doing a quick demonstration of the TomTom turn-by-turn navigation application for the iPhone. So if you like what you see here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be automatically entered into my giveaways. I got some more giveaways coming up soon. But again, thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.